Gogo murikira yanda bereka go kolekana goika asensemo ya Rioma yogotoka se wodi ya sensi Kisii cha North ni gobono omokonyu mugambi kuru asenseme yo igabono mobero yotoke mambi ya lero gaitirega kwete no mobero yo korutua ange ne chia bisichiaye asenseme yo abanyanyimbo ni gobagendere to butukiwe imeriko manya imbarebe kerentege kolekyo ngase kurinde kirabone gatara manyekana ningikere tomokonyu mugambi kuru asenseme yo ya Rioma se wodi ya sensi konyaraka goitwa no mubiro yo gotugutu asensemeyo nenganegende tekoligirwa so ime na boigono tikokumanya sobwagale ali yabereka okolekana kolende kolengana na menyukuru asensemeyo ni goba ichanirege kolekyo ekerekuri obutuki boime bogendere tekoru asensemo y'abanyanyimbo.
Jina mi naitwa Paul Angwenyi. I'm the elected member of the county assembly from Sensi ward. Rioma sublocation falls under my jurisdiction. This morning, as we woke up, we got information that one of the assistant chiefs of Rioma sublocation was found lying in front of his office, dead. Was lying in front of his office and he was dead. So we rushed to the scene and we found indeed the assistant chief was dead. And when we looked around the scene, there was no any disturbance, nothing. The ground was clear, meaning that this person was picked from wherever he was and brought there this wee hours of the morning and dropped there. We are calling upon now, the community is now calling upon the national government, Special Crimes Unit, to come and do a thorough forensic investigations so that it was ascertained what was the cause of his death.